So friends, the mathematical expression as you can see here, to solve this we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first brackets, order exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here this expression will break it down by step solution. So first calculate the factorials and exponents. Factorial and exponents. So first factorial is 4 factorial equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. You will get after multiplying 24. And after the second factorial is 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1. Now after multiplying you will get 6. Now exponent here. So third 2 cube. Now you will multiply 2 multiply by 2 into multiply by 2. You will get 8. Now expression becomes is 24 divided by 4 multiply by 6 minus 8. Second step, division and multiplication, we move from left to right. So first we'll divide 24 divided by 4 6, and after you will multiply. So after 6 into 6. So 6 into 6 you will get 36. Now the expression becomes simply 36 minus 8. 36 minus 8. After finally subtract the values, you will get 28 as a answer. I hope it is clear, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.